The Women's Fund of Omaha does a lot throughout the year. They're connected to topics, some obvious, some that you might not think about right away.
Yeah, broadly, the organization's dedicated to improving the lives of Omaha area women and girls. That includes preventing STDs and teen pregnancy. Our guest focuses on that as the Adolescent Health Coordinator.
Well, you know her. She's served in a few public places over the years. Brenda Council. Good morning,
Hi,
Brenda.
Brenda.
Thanks for stopping by this morning.
Good to see
Hey,
you.
you know, I think you can explain this better than us, though. The Women's Fund of Omaha. Explain the organization.
Well, it's a not-for-profit organization. We've been in existence since 1990, and as Mary said, our objective is to improve the lives of women and girls in the Omaha area, and we do that by providing opportunities for women and girls to reach their full potential. And our mission is tied to our three goals, which are we identify critical issues facing women and girls through research. We rely heavily on research. Then we provide funding for innovative solutions. I'm proud to say that since our existence, we've provided grants totaling nearly $10 million to Omaha area organizations who serve women and girls. And then we advocate for dynamic change.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
Yes.
So with what you do, focusing on adolescent health, what are your programs like? What does that I guess broadly, what does it include or entail?
Well, the Adolescent Health Project is actually a community-wide engagement initiative, and we've built a broad-based coalition beginning with strategic partners like the Sherwood Foundation, the Douglas County Health Department, the University of Nebraska Medical Center, College of Public Health, and many other organizations who we brought to the table because research showed that best practices in communities that have had success in reducing either STDs or teen pregnancy have approached it from a community-wide perspective. So we've worked hard to build a strong coalition of clinical providers, community-based organizations, and we achieve our goals through providing funding to clinical providers to increase their capacity to serve young people. We advocate for comprehensive sex education, which research shows is the main preventive tool for young people. And then we have a media campaign because what we've discovered is people don't change or take action about things they don't know about, talk about, or care about.
So you're putting it out there, and this is some of the video, and you'll also see billboards around the area perhaps. So what kinds of results have you seen so far from this campaign or from some of those other things, the coalition, all these other efforts?
Well, we started in 2015 with our STD prevention campaign, and it was our goal to increase the number of young people who were being tested for STDs because Douglas County had been experiencing 17 consecutive years of our STD rates exceeding the national average. So we wanted to raise awareness in the community about our STD problem here, and then we wanted to increase capacity. So we provided $2.6 million to seven of our clinical partners so they can expand their capacity.
We only have about a minute left. I want to get to some of the nuts and bolts here. Are you seeing a change? Do you feel like what you're doing is working?
In a 5-month period, our data shows that we've seen a 29% increase in just a 5-month period after our campaign started of young people who are getting tested for STDs. So we believe that we're being successful in raising that awareness, changing behaviors among young people, and we're now focusing on teen pregnancy prevention with our new campaign that lets young people know that their life as a teen will change if they experience a pregnancy.
Not only young people, we've got about 15 seconds, but is there one message for parents that you want to get out there?
Parents, go to our website. We have Get the Sex Facts Omaha, and we have a parent toolkit there available for you that provides guidance on when and how to talk to your young people about sexual health.
Yeah, a lot of parents want to do it, they just don't know how to get started.
And this will help to get them started.
GetCheckedOmaha.com. That's one of the websites. You can also look for the Women's Fund of Omaha, and they've got some information, some links through that site. Brenda, it's good to see you.
Pleasure to be here. Thanks,
Thank you.
Mary, Mike.
Brenda.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
We appreciate
All right,
it.